Are you ready to embark on a journey of coffee perfection? The Longhi Truebrew drip coffee maker is not just a machine, it's your ticket to the freshest, most flavorful coffee experience imaginable. Let's delve into what makes this coffee maker a game changer for coffee enthusiasts. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why you need the Longhi Truebrew drip coffee maker for a coffee experience beyond compare. Groundbreaking built-in Conical Burr grinder, where freshness meets precision. Say goodbye to pre-ground coffee and hello to the aromatic world of freshly ground beans. The built-in Conical Burr grinder of the Truebrew ensures that each cup is crafted with precision, grinding beans to perfection for an unparalleled coffee experience. Your taste buds deserve nothing less. Bean extract technology, a symphony of grind, dose, and brew. Longhi's proprietary bean extract technology is the heart of Truebrew. It's not just about brewing, it's about capturing the essence of coffee. This innovative technology automatically grinds, doses, and brews, ensuring that each cup is a harmonious blend of flavor and aroma that only freshly ground beans can provide. Personalized brewing at your fingertips, size and style, your way. Truebrew is not a one-size-fits-all machine. It's your personal barista, offering 6 sizes to cater to your coffee cravings. Whether you prefer a single-serve 8 ounces cup, a robust 24 ounces mug, or an espresso-style 3 ounces cup, Truebrew has you covered. And with 5 brew styles including light, gold, bold, over ice, and espresso style, your coffee is crafted to perfection, just the way you like it. Sustainability redefined. Zero waste, zero compromises. In a world of disposable pods and filters, Truebrew takes a stand for sustainability. It uses whole beans, eliminating the need for plastic pods and filters. The used grounds are conveniently packed into easily disposable pucks, reducing waste and leaving you with a guilt-free coffee experience. One-touch simplicity with adaptive brewing. Your coffee, your schedule. Truebrew blends the most precise and adaptive brewing technology with true one-touch simplicity. The built-in clock and auto-on function allow you to schedule your perfect cup, ensuring it's ready exactly when you need it. Embrace the luxury of waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Click the link for your Truebrew experience. Click the link in the description below to explore the full specifications of the Longhi Truebrew drip coffee maker. Elevate your coffee experience, savor the richness of freshly ground beans, and discover why Truebrew is more than a coffee maker. It's a statement of excellence. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.